In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Telegram deleted messages. Before we begin, it's important to set the right expectation. If a message has been permanently deleted in Telegram, recovery is usually not possible. Telegram does not work like some messaging apps that store full chat backups you can simply restore later. That said, there are still a few situations where you may be able to bring the message back, or at least see what it said. The first method is the fastest, but it only works immediately after you delete a message. Open the official Telegram app, and as soon as the message is removed, look at the bottom of the screen. You may see an undo option appear for a few seconds. If you do, tap it right away. This is a very short time window, so speed matters. If you wait too long and the option disappears, this method will no longer work. Next, check your saved messages chat. Open Telegram and go to Saved Messages. If you had forwarded that message there earlier or saved a copy for reference, there's a chance it's still available. You can scroll through the conversation manually or use the search function to look for specific words or phrases from the deleted message. This can be especially helpful if you regularly use saved messages to store important details. If you're on Android, there's another place worth checking: your notification history. Open your phone settings, go to notifications, and then look for notification history. Once you're there, check for Telegram notifications. In some cases, the preview of a message may still appear there, even if the original message has already been deleted in the app. Just remember, this only works if notification history was already turned on before the message was removed. There's also a limited backup related option. Telegram does not offer full message restoration the way many users expect. However, if you were using Telegram desktop before the message was deleted, check whether that message is still visible there. And if you have ever exported your Telegram data, open those exported files and see if the message appears inside them. This won't apply to everyone, but it's definitely worth checking if you've used those features in the past. Another simple option is to ask the other person in the chat. Open the conversation and request that they forward the message again and send a screenshot or copy and resend the text. If the message still exists on their side, this is often the easiest way to recover the information.